Hey there, welcome to my channel Best Strong Motivation. Today, Speak God gives you chance 2024. Think young people, please don't make big decisions too so and they are nothing as reprehensible. Spending the rest of your life living with the consequence. Think you could have about God. He is justice, He is always mercy. This whole now and most of us are probably chance not our second chance. What you did back there ain't got nothing to do with what God do. You know, man, completely up and you can turn lost everything twice. I am just trying you, man. God is really with you. Can make all the mistakes you want to make. God is the forgiving business. You learn as you all of a sudden. God says in the chaos, I am going to give you an opportunity to correct the mistakes of your past, and I will not hold against you the bad choice of yesterday if you were corrected with the good choice of today. Opportunity comes in chaos, a chance to get it right, a chance to make a U-turn. Everybody in your life will have a turn back moment. You are going to have such a period in your life where it seems working. You are going to have a lot of trials. Everybody has what's called a turn back moment, where the direction you are going decision to keep going